Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Think, innovate, fabricate. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel Robocraze. Today we are building a rainbow mood light using ESP32. For this project, we will be using an ESP32, the RGB LED, a 220 ohm resistors. Let's get it wired up. We are using a Common Anode RGB LED, so the setup is the key. Connect the longest pin of the LED, the anode, to the 3v3 pin on the ESP32. Connect the red pin through a resistor to GPIO 25. Connect the green pin through a resistor to GPIO 26. Connect the blue pin through a resistor to GPIO 27. That's it for the wiring. Super simple and perfect for getting started. Now let's bring it to life with some code. The great part here is we don't need any special libraries for this. Here is the complete sketch. For the pin definitions, we assign them to GPIO pins of our red, green and blue channels. In the void setup, we configure these pins as outputs. In the void loop, this is where the magic happens. It contains 3 for loops that creates the animation. Phase 1, red to green. The first loop fades out the red light while fading the green light in. The phase 2, green to blue. The second loop fades the green out and the blue in. Phase 3, blue to red. The final loop fades the blue out and brings the red back in by completing the cycle. Analog write. Since we have a common anode LED, a value of 255 is off and 0 is on. The code uses 255 as the brightness to handle this inverted logic. This loop repeats forever, giving us a continuous smooth rainbow. Alright, let's see it in action. I've uploaded the code and look at that, a perfect smooth rainbow cycle. You can see it transition seamlessly from red to yellow, green, cyan, blue and purple before starting it all over again. You can easily change the speed by adjusting the delay value in the code. And that's our ESP32 Rainbow Moonlight project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY electronic projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next build.